What's up? It's me again, Pigado TV. For today's video, gusto ko kayo isama sa aking paglalakbay.
I've been waiting for a while for you to take me out of time. Overthinking about my life.
At ito na nga, binabaybay na natin ang daanan dito papunta ng South Cotabato. Kung manggagaling ka ng General Santos City, ang unang mong munisipyo ng South Cotabato ang madadaanan is ang Pulumulok at ang pangalawa, ang Tupi. Dadaan po kayo ng municipality ng Tupi, dapat mag-ingat po tayo kasi may speed limit po dito na 60 km/h. Alam nyo ba, Tupi is known for its picturesque landscape, agricultural areas, and natural attraction. At dito rin natin makikita ang mga nagagandahang tourist spot. At napakalawak din dito ng taniman ng mga pineapple, banana, coffee, and vegetables. Ang population ng Tupi as of January 2022, meron na silang 74,000 people. At ang mayor ng Tupi ngayon ay si Honorable Romeo Tamayo. At meron silang slogan na Our Home, Now Your Destination. At ayan, dadaan muna tayo sa gasoline station para makapagpatuloy sa ating destination. Ito na nga, narating na natin ang Coronadal known as Marbel. Ang Coronadal, nagmula sa salitang blaan. Ang kolon, ang ibig sabihin ay kugod, damuhan. At ang nadal, ang ibig sabihin ay kapatagan. Do you know, Kapigado? The name Marvel is derived from the shortening of the municipality Coronadal Buayan Electric Line. Ang Marbel ay maraming naglalakihang mga establishmento tulad ng All Home Appliance, KCC Mall, Gaisano Mall, at City Mall. At meron silang slogan, Inspiring Change and Building a Better Future. Kanamit Coronadal. At paglagpas ko ng Marbel, ako'y kinakabahan. Kaya pala, kasi andito mga kinatatakutan ng mga turistang walang lisensya.
Vlogger ka, sir?
Yes, sir. At ito na nga, hinanapan ako ng mga dokumento katulad ng driver's license, motorcycle registration, at kinakabahan ako kasi wala ako nun. Pero joke lang, dapat magbabiyahe tayo, kompleto tayo ng mga dokumento. Siyempre, meron tayong driver's license, motorcycle registration, at yun na mga kapigado, pinaalis na tayo kasi wala tayo lahat. At ngayon, binabaybay na natin ang daanan papunta Tacorong. 1, 2, 3. Smile!
It's written all over your face. It's deceiving. You're somewhere in another place. Your mind's made up its mind, and I'm nowhere to be found.
Music stop! Tacorong is in South Central Mindanao, and the only city in the province of Sultan Kudarat is 92 kilometers from General Santos City. Tacorong City has a total land area of 15,340 hectares, the smallest land area among the province's 12 municipalities. Tacorongs become a component city of Sultan Kudarat in 2000 by virtue of Republic of Act 8805 in September 2000. At meron silang population na 98,316. At ang kanilang mayor, si Honorable Lino O. Montilla. Tacorong City is also known for its annual celebration of Talakudong Festival. The festival features street dancing, colorful parade, and various cultural presentation and highlighting the cities of history of the tradition. Meron silang slogan, Love the Philippines. Uswag, City of Tacorong.
It's deceiving. You're somewhere in another place. Your mind's made up its mind, and I'm nowhere to.
At ayan na nga, binabaybay na natin ang daanan papuntang Isulan Sultan Kudarat. Sa tabi ng daanan may napansin ako, nagbebenta ng mga mushrooms at kahit anong binibenta basta legal at mapapagkitaan. At ito na, narating na natin ang mismong round ball ng Isulan Sultan Kudarat.
I see that look in your eye. You're tired of all of the lies.
Isulan Sultan Kudarat celebrating Hamugaya Festival to celebrate its foundation. The festival showcase skills and talents in literary, musical, and cultural aspect, constituents both young and old. As of year 2020, meron silang population 97,490. The town produces various agricultural products such as rice, corn, fruits, and vegetable. Additionally, Isulan serves a commercial and educational hub for the surrounding communities in Sultan Kudarat. The slogan is, Iski, Sikat Ka. At dahil inulan tayo, hindi natin matatapos itong video. Maraming salamat, hanggang sa muli. Dahil natapos mo ang video, may tatanong ako sa'yo. 1 plus 1.